Did you know these chewy, golden bites are one of nature's most nutrient-dense dried fruits? In this video, we reveal 10 science-backed reasons why dried apricots deserve a spot in your daily diet. From boosting vision to fighting anemia and glowing skin. Number 1, rich in antioxidants packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A. Dried apricots combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Number 2, boosts eye health. High vitamin A, content 47%. D-vit per 100 grams protects vision and prevents age-related macular degeneration. Number 3, supports digestion. A great source of fiber, 7 grams per 100 grams. They relieve constipation and promote gut health. Number 4, improves heart health. Potassium, 1,160 milligrams per 100 grams. Regulates blood pressure, while fiber lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. Number 5, prevents anemia. Non-heme iron, 2.7 milligrams per 100 grams, and copper, help in red blood cell production, combating fatigue. Number 6, strengthens bones. Contains calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key minerals for bone density and osteoporosis prevention. Number 7, enhances skin glow. Vitamins A and E promote collagen production, reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. Number 8, boosts immunity. Vitamin C, 1 milligram, and antioxidants strengthen immune defense against infections. Number 9, natural energy source, high in natural sugars, 53 grams per 100 grams, and B vitamins for a quick, healthy energy boost. Number 10, aids weight management, low glycemic index, GI 30 to 40, and fiber content keep you full longer, reducing cravings.